I know that the way qualifications will be assessed this year and arrangements for next summer's exams is of particular concern to many of you. I wanted to give you an update on our approach in Wales, what we're looking at and when you can expect an announcement. I can confirm that I will make a statement on our approach to qualifications, including vocational qualifications, before the next half term at the end of this month. This will allow time for preparation and implementation during this academic year. In getting to that statement, we as the government, working with Qualifications Wales, have put in place new arrangements in our approach, ensuring that they are robust and have fairness at their heart. Louise Casella from the Open University is chairing an independent review of this summer's exams and providing recommendations for next summer. The review's interim recommendations will be published this month. I've also asked Qualifications Wales to provide further advice about the options now available, given the continuing disruption, with a clear focus on deliverability and equality in any approach chosen. For learners in exam years, my overriding priority is to ensure that learners have the knowledge, skills and confidence to progress into the next phase of their education, training or employment.